Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is 13 inches by 7 inches by 7 inches exterior with heavy duty, durable nylon, water-resistant outer shell, large main compartment with removable divider, multiple interior and exterior pockets for extra storage, adjustable shoulder strap, deluxe padding, 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 padding. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Made of durable 600 denier polyester. 2 exterior slash pockets to hold mags and smaller items. Self-healing. Heavy duty. Standard size coil zippers. Wrap-around tactical web handles. Features MOLLE webbing, e-webbing, 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 e-webbing. The number 2 on the list is nylon, imported, perfect choice for shooters. Tactical range backpack from GPS is designed to provide hands-free, secure transport for handguns, ammunition, and accessories to and from range. Chest strap and padded waist belt help ensure load stability on your back. Durable tactical gear. This tactical backpack is made of 1000 denier heavy-duty material with DuPont Teflon stain-resistant coating. Duraflex buckles and hardware have no UV compounds. This makes them invisible in night scope. Operations. 3 handguns capacity. G Outdoors Products Tactical Range Backpack features 3 separate removable pistol storage cases with integrated magazine storage. These internal handgun cases are padded and offer storage space for 1 pistol and 4 magazines each. Secure storage. Rigid honeycomb frame of backpack along with lockable YKK oversized self-tacking. Zippers ensure your stored pistols remain secure. It also includes waterproof pull-out rain cover to help keep your tactical gear dry during rainy weather. Attention to details. Front pocket unzips flat to offer working surface at range. 4 outside zippered pockets for ammo and other accessories. Visual ID storage system for quick identification and access to gear. MOLLE webbing for adding accessories. The number 1 on the list is perfect choice for shooters. The GPS Tactical Rolling Range Bag is designed to offer the majority of its storage space for handguns and provide convenient and secure transportation of your pistols, ammo, and shooting accessories to and from the range. Convenient transportation. This tactical range bag from G Outdoors Products features oversized ATV wheels that deliver smooth transporting in gravel parking lots. Telescoping handle makes transport and storage easy and convenient. 10 pistols capacity. This range bag is designed to store and carry 10 handguns, ammo and shooting accessories to the range. The bag features a removable foam cradle that fully protects and holds 6 handguns and 4 internal zippered pockets to store 4 additional handguns. Well designed, the tactical range bag has wide mouth top opening for easy access to your gear. Specialized zippered pocket on the bottom for storing extra ammunition, and additional external pockets for magazines, binoculars, ear protection muffs, stapler, ammo dump cups and targets. Durable tactical gear. The GPS Tactical Rolling Range Bag is designed for years of use in extreme and demanding environments. Engineered and built with the best materials, components and construction methods available.